Starting problem with a Kawasaki FR600V lawnmower engine.
Hello. My name is will be happy to assist you. Can you give me some more details relating to our starting problem? We can continue from here. Thanks. You and I need to determine if our problem is fuel related or if it is ignition related.
Hi Donald, the problem is fuel related. I took each spark plugs out and watched them spark as I cranked the engine. I thought that it might be the fuel pump, but I tried replacing it, but that didn't work either.
Thanks for your response. If you have some carburetor cleaner in a can, spray a small burst directly into your carburetor to see if your engine will start up and run briefly.
It does.
Have you checked the fuel shutoff solenoid on your carburetor to see if it is working? Your fuel shutoff solenoid should click each time you cycle your ignition switch on and off. It has a spring-loaded plunger that must retract when your ignition switch is on to allow fuel to flow within your carburetor.
It clicks when in the on position, which I'm told means it's working.
Awesome. Thanks for checking. We now need to determine if your fuel pump is pumping fuel to your carburetor. Remove your fuel hose from your carburetor and place it into a suitable container to catch your fuel. Turn your key to start position as you observe your fuel flow. If you are getting fuel to your carburetor, and your fuel shutoff solenoid is working properly, and your engine will start up and run briefly if you spray carburetor cleaner into your carburetor, indicates that your carburetor is at fault and will need to be cleaned.
No fuel coming out or in the fuel filter.
Did you remove the hose from your fuel filter before checking your fuel flow?
There is no fuel in the filter, but no, I didn't.
I would like for you to try something. Remove the hose from your fuel filter. We need to determine if fuel flows from your fuel tank to your fuel filter.
There is.
Thank you for checking. There is one last test we need to perform that will tell us if your fuel pump is bad or if your carburetor needs to be cleaned. Remove your fuel hose directly from your carburetor, then turn your key to spin your engine. Let's see if fuel is pumping out.
There is. I think I found the problem, and it has nothing to do with the carburetor. There are two wires coming from the solenoid on the carb. The green one was not connected on the side of the engine, where it is supposed to be.
I will have to pull up a wiring schematic in order to be sure about where that wire goes. It is likely a ground wire. Is your fuel solenoid clicking without this wire connected?
But it started when I connected it. There is a connection block on the side of the engine, and there is a green wire and black wire female connector coming from it. That's the color of the wires from the carb. The green male connector came off.
Thanks for this information. This confirms that this is a ground wire.
Thank you so much, Donald. 5 stars for you, and I will mark you as a favorite.
You are very welcome. I do hope all continues to go well for you. I enjoyed working you. Thank you for the 5 stars. Awesome.
What other things do you specialize in? Thanks again.
I specialize in all areas of a mower. Transaxles, electrical, etc. I can cover the entire mower. I love troubleshooting because I do not believe in buying parts unless they are needed. I look forward to working with you again if needed.
That's awesome, thank you. I'll be in touch. Take good care. Tim.
Very good, Tim.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.